Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to find the value of x given that 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 1 or divided by 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of x. So our focus will be on how to simplify the left hand side. So the first thing we do is that since we have index, we are going to apply the multiplication law of indices. Now recall that if I have a to the power of m plus n, this can be expressed as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we apply this law at the left hand side. So this becomes 3 open your bracket 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1 minus 4 open your bracket 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 1, all divided by, we have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of x. And everything here is equal to 8 to the power of x. Now, note that 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. So I place the 1 here for simplicity. Okay, but it's not needed. When you have 2 to the power of 1, just write 2. So at this point, we can simplify further. So we have that this is 3 open bracket 2 times 2 to the power of x minus, we have 4 open your bracket, we have 2 to the power of x divided by 2, and then we know that at this point we have, from the denominator I can factor out 2 to the power of x. I have 2 to the power of x open bracket 2 minus 1, and everything here is equal to 8 to the power of x. Now from the numerator, 3 times 2 is 6, so I have 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 2 cancel itself, we have 1, 4 divided by 2, we have 2, and then 2 times 2 to the power of s is 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x, all divided by, at this point I will have 2 to the power of x, 2 minus 1 is 1. Everything here is equated to 8 to the power of x. Now from the numerator, we can factor out 2 to the power of x. So we have 2 to the power of x. Open up a bracket, we have 6 minus 2 divided by 2 to the power of x equal to 8 to the power of x. At this point, 2 to the power of x can cancel out, and we'll be left with 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. And at this point, we have 8 to the power of x. Now, since 2 and 8 can be expressed in the power of base 2, we have that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3, and then multiplied by the index x. So at this point, since they have the same base, we have it that 2 is equal to 3x. Therefore, it follows that x is equal to 2 divided by 3. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video. and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.